Inline editing from the report run page is a feature released in summer 21. It is currently in beta, so which means it is not a part of your standard services under the master subscription with Salesforce. So how do we use this feature? To enable it, you have to go to Setup, Reports and Dashboard Setting, enable inline editing in reports. So select this tick box and you're set to go. Open any report and it should allow you to now edit the fields on the report run page itself if the field is editable. A lock icon means that field isn't available for inline editing. So you may still have access to the field. You may be able to edit the field in the object record page, but it is not available for inline editing. Here are a few more details of the field and field types where inline editing is not supported. So task and event object fields, system fields, compound fields, including name and address, pick list, custom date time fields, encrypted text, formula, and standard fields of type, date time, auto number, roll-up summary, record type, master detail, long text area, rich text, or hierarchy. These are not supported for inline editing. Let's look at this feature in action now. So go to setup, look for reports and dashboard settings and enable inline editing in reports. Save that. Now let's go to the home page and look at the reports tab. These are a few reports I had created for the reports and dashboard super batch. So let's look at one of these reports and see whether inline editing has been now enabled. So now you can see there's a pencil icon. I can actually go in and change the account name. The subject can be changed and it refreshes the report. The phone number is editable, status is editable, checkbox is not available for inline editing. Both these checkboxes are not available, but the rest of the fields are now editable, except for, of course, the summary fields. Let's look at some other report. In here, you can edit the opportunity name. This field is, wherever you see a pencil icon, those fields are editable. Probability percentage is not editable. Amount is not editable, as explained in the release notes. So this makes it very easy. Instead of taking a report and then going back to the list view and trying to edit the records, it's a really good productivity feature.